Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just here to promote our Share Your Solution and uploading good scope scan data for November. So if you upload any good scope scan data or repair solution, you're going to the draw. This month, great price from AZ Scanners, which is their little diagnostic box, which is the actual key reader, key functionality. So proximity smart key system tester. Does a whole lot of range of, so it's good video on their website if you go to AZ Scanners, but test normal transponders, RF test, a remote infrared test, proximity full test, does that. Coil antenna, so checking the coil antenna in the car. Proximity test for the side of it, it's got fast and slow oscilloscope functionality, dual proximity scan, etc. So a lot of functionality on this little tool. Packs a fair punch, so anything to do with remote keys or fobs, this is a great little tool for you. So it's up for grabs for anyone, again, that shares any good scope scan data or repair solution in November. So get those entries in, and later in the month we'll draw that and see who's the proud winner of this new tool. See you next time.